Hi, grade 2. Last week we talked about how molecules, which are in everything, and when they heat up, they expand. They move farther apart, and that makes them lighter, which we didn't talk about. So what I want to prove to you today is that that is true. So remember when we did our experiment last week, we got in a little group, and we bounced up and down, and when we heated up, we moved farther apart, and when we cooled down, we moved closer together. Well, what happens in air, and in everything else, is that when it heats up and everything moves farther apart, it gets lighter, which causes air and other hot things to rise. So using a little experiment, I want to show you that this is true. While I set this up, I just want to remind you that you should not try this at home. I have a special kind of paper, and you should certainly not try it with normal paper, but you shouldn't try this at home at all. Or if you do, make sure you have adult supervision. We all remember what happened when the fire started the other day, and you wouldn't want that happening in your home. So watch what happens when I heat up this piece of paper. Wait for it. Whoa! So what happened there is I had this little tube, and as it heated up, all of the hot air got trapped inside of it. And as the hot air got trapped inside, it got lighter, and then there was just a little bit of piece of paper left. That hot air actually managed to pick it right up off the ground. So we're going to do this one more time. So right now the air is heating up, it's getting trapped in there, and in a second it's going to pick it right up. Whoa! So, there we go, grade 2. That is what happens when air and molecules heat up.